in today's video. Here in this video, I kind of spent a little bit of my Robux. I spent the bunny hop, and I also spent the eye patch I have. You see, how can I look here? Yeah, this is only 30 Robux, and I also bought bunny hop, and this is the leftover Robux I have. I don't know what to do with it, so yeah, I thought about it, and I am actually gonna buy the 30% 30 plus health. It's only 10 Robux, not that much. Passes gear of that stuff. Let me look at it. Yeah, where is it? No, where is it? Oh, we can actually sprint. Only, I think it's a fidget spinner. Okay. But where's that other one that I really want? I don't know yet. But yeah, let's play the game. I'm gonna see it, yeah, on top of the screen, hopefully. Yeah, this is my skin. Now it changed. Okay, and I didn't got that many. And look at my jump. Look, I jump like this, like a ninja. And then if I fall like a robot. That's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, we have to wait until they are done. And then I'm gonna waste some of my. Oh, this is regeneration. I mean, it helps sometimes. Try it. Oh, here. See, 10 Robux for 30% health. Yes, I'm totally buying that. And yeah, do I have it? No, what? I think I have it. And if I buy it again, then I get more health, you know? Okay, burn to that or down to the... No, I don't want to drown. Oh, I drowned slowly. Look at the others. No! Did I buy it? Hopefully. Yes, I did. I did buy it. Okay. And everyone is dying faster than I did. Come on, please. I don't want to die first, please. Let them all die. I'm the only one that has that game pass. Please! Yes. I'm the only survivor. No, I'm gonna die. Okay, I died. Okay, let's go there as fast as possible. Whee! And here we go. We can actually buy it again. I'm impressed. Okay, but yeah, at least I bought it. The pals or the queue. I like them both, but the most that I watch is actually the pals. Yeah, let's choose them. I want to be poked sometimes. Yeah. Okay, let's see who I am. I am Alex, I think. No, he doesn't have any emotes. Okay, let's see what the other people are. This is Sub. Hi, Sub. Sketch. Dennis. Oh, that's pretty cool. And that's Poke.
Got me lovesick. I tried to run away but couldn't get far. I did my best to keep off your radar. Oh, Cupid, tell me.
Okay, let's be myself now. I want my emotes back. Yes. On me again. Let me go to sleep. I'm gonna sleep. I'm sleeping, guy. Oh wait. Yeah, I'm sleeping now. It must be me. I'm sleeping. Oh no, you have to fight. No, I was just in the middle of sleep. No, I don't want to waste my Robux on that. I have more health than you guys. Come on, I have to win. No, I'm gonna buy it again. No, just joking. No, I ain't doing that. Okay, let's get the rest of the people. They have balls. That's pretty cool. Get in. Come on. Come on, let's get the rest. Okay. Oh my god. What? Oh, I can regenerate. That's so cool. Yes. Okay. Where? I don't know. I don't know. Let's choose this one. I don't. Oh, this one is pretty good. This one too. Okay, yeah. This is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Yeah, and I wasted my Robux. Oh, I wanna go out there, come on. He's the Sims. He's from the Sims 4. Hello. Someone is controlling you. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to sleep. Bye, guys. No, sleep and game. Bye, guys.